so this is what I look like. I didn't get to show you guys what I look like before I left the house, but this is me after I got ready. This is my outfit. And yeah, I'm just gonna meet my date here, and I'm gonna have a great time. Because, I mean, if he can go out and he can go and meet someone and have a good time and find someone else that's meant for him, who's to say this person's not meant for me or somebody else, or, you know, so I'm gonna just live my life too, and I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna have a good time. And yeah, I know you're watching, so you can watch me have a great time with one of your friends. I'm so excited because I love to play games. I'm very competitive, so hopefully the person doesn't get scared at how competitive I could be, because I could get a little too competitive, so hopefully that's not like doing too much. Well, I'm not gonna lose, I don't care. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna have a good time. So my date's here. He went to go and get the game card right now, so I'm just kind of waiting it out. I'm a little nervous. But I mean, I'm sure it's gonna go good. I feel like the energy's already good, and like it's cool because we already know each other, and it's like it'll be good. It's gonna be all fun. Normally, like, I'm used to dating older guys, but it's cool. Like, I don't mind someone like around my age, so that's fine. Let's see. But it all goes good, and you know, you just never know what the end result could be because you never gave anything a try. So it is completely different. They're completely not like my type, like not my regular type, but they seem like nice enough. So let's just hope that it all goes good. I'm not just thinking anything weird. It's a long line at the freaking game card line. But bro, I wish I knew the key to these games. Like, how do people just come up in here, just know how to take these things and like make them fall down? It's not like I want one of these things anyway, but how cute! Like, what's even in there? Nervous! I'm a little nervous. Oh my god, that's cute! It's so stuffy! I gotta figure out what games I want to play. All of them. Oh, there you are!
Game card, man. What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all?
Alright, you wanna get your butt whipped now, or?
Come on, let's do basketball. I ain't with the strip yet.
I am amazing at basketball, first of all. I'm amazing at basketball.
At basketball?
Yeah.
I almost went D1, but I had a career-ending injury.
Like, actually?
Real, yeah.
Like, actually? You're supposed to actually be playing at basketball?
Yes.
What
real.
position?
Point guard.
A point guard?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go here. That's crazy.
You know, this is how it goes, how life goes.
I never would have thought that you're supposed to be a basketball player.
Nah, hell yeah, for real.
So, here's a score, here's a score, here's a score.
No. You can see it, bro.
No.
Bro, you can see it, flash.
No. Did I win or did he win? Did I win or did he win?
All right, switch.
I'm tired of whooping your ass. I showed him every round. I showed him every round, man. Trash. I showed him every round. Hey, man. It's alright if the girl's the alpha sometimes. It's okay.
Nah.
It's alright. I guess it fell off on your gen.
Hell no.
Here, I'm gonna race you. I'm a shit talker. I like talk shit. Hopefully, I don't bother a lot of people. I don't know how it's going so far. Honestly, I'm trying to not let me get the opportunity to have like a one-on-one conversation because I feel like I don't know. I'm pretty weird. I'm pretty like awkward. I'm a very awkward person. I don't know. Here. I'm gonna whoop his ass in this car racing game too now. What car are you getting?
Oh, right.
A Toyota? That's cool. Which one do you want?
I don't even understand what.
How did we lose? How did we both lose?
I don't know what happened.
I think you want. Wait, no, I don't know. You won. Are you old enough to drink?
I am, but I'm on my 30-day no drink.
You have the card?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to play?
Shit,
Alright. So, what kind of things do you like in a girl?
shit, what?
What kind of things do you like in a girl?
Shit. I don't really know, I don't know. It all depends for real, you feel me?
What?
I feel like I'm very lenient, you know what I'm saying? I'm very lenient. So,
In what ways, like, I don't understand what you mean by lenient.
like, some may like I'm slim. It could be a dick thing, like, hey, I hate that little shit, you feel me? Like, I ain't tripping.
So what's your type?
I don't have a type. Like Ray Sherman said, I don't have a type.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So like, it can vary. It varies.
So would you say, like, I could be your type?
What you mean?
Like, could I be your type?
Could you type what for me?
Like, like your type.
Like what you mean? Like, can you type something for me?
No, like something like someone you could see yourself like hanging out with.
Oh, yeah, we hanging out. Yeah, for sure. We hanging out. You know.
Okay,
I'm
cool.
here.
Alright, so go on your side.
Yeah, let's go. Stay focused.
I'm gonna put this down. I gotta focus. So I think the date's going pretty well. He gave me a gift. And it's so crazy because I think he knows that like I really got Chino into praying. Because before me, Chino wouldn't pray for like our food or like just to be grateful. And so like I got us into praying, and Chino did a great job with like praying for our meals. So he knows that I'm a godly woman, and he brought me a Bible. Like, look at how massive this is. It's so beautiful. It's leather quality. I love this. This is a beautiful gift. Wonderful. I love it. Okay, so now that I beat your butt at a lot of games, come sit down. Thanks for holding my gift. I really love it also. Appreciate it. So, on a scale from 1 to 10, what do you think about me?
Shit, I think you're cool, man. Cool people for sure.
So, we can hang out again.
You can hang out.
Okay, cool. Alright.
I go around, go to a basketball game, you can invite everybody can come.
Yeah.
Like a group thing,
Yeah.
That'd be cool. Like a group of like 15 people, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that sounds fun.
Yeah, cool with that, Another
Alright.
group activity. Another group activity for the books. Another group activity for the books.
Yeah. Yeah, you're pretty cool too.
Thank you, nephew. Thank you. Appreciate that.
Yeah, it was a pretty fun date.
You don't gotta say that word. You gotta say like it's a hangout session.
Yeah. It's a hangout sesh.
Hangout
It's a
sesh.
cool hangout sesh.
Cool hangout session.
Yeah. I have fun.
Alright, man. Hey, don't forget this.
Oh yeah. I mean,
Yeah, you need it.
yeah. Thank you.
You never could have too much Jesus.
Right.
Alright, nephew.
Oh my God, bro! Oh my God! I was trying my hardest to be normal, bro. I was trying my hardest. If you got to the end of this, that was really weird. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't ever want to hang out with Cinco by myself again. It was cool though. I got to whip his ass at a lot of games, but aside from that, yeah, this really was pointless. It really was pointless.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워 I see 한여름에도 난 겨울 yeah, 너와 있을 때 I swear 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 children 꿈에도 I wasn't done with 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해